Do-it-yourself Dells today we're making a special elixir which has got several ingredients. We have the aforementioned Hello Kitty milk straws. We've got the lemonade mix. We've got marshmallows. We have Freezy Pops. We have the speculosis crackers. We have the fat-free lime ice cream. And what else are we? Oh, already mentioned that. And I was going to put this in. So that's just regular chocolate syrup topping.
Mm-hmm.
Which a certain person always tells me that I ain't supposed to get it when I'm in the grocery store because it's apparently not healthy for you.
A little Twix mixed.
A little bit of Twix mix. Now this is going to do it. There's a lot of ingredients.
Some of this.
Oh yeah, this strawberry. What is it?
Syrup.
Maple syrup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so pour a little of that in there. And do we have Grandma Mary's special syrup as well? Does she watch these things?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. While her sauce is going in.
Drop, make it drop to the floor. Let's get raw. Okay, give me some more. We getting drunk now with the shot to the shot to the shot to the shot. We gon' chase these double stamp it, no erases. Hit the pop to the pop. Here comes the bouncer, don't get caught.
So here goes. What's that thing I tasted before that I didn't like? Well, this isn't that. This isn't that bad. It's just a little bit complicated. Yeah, this is not bad.
What do you think it needs?
Nothing.
Perfect as
If
is.
we manufactured this stuff, it could be a popular drink. We could pass it off as health food because some of the ingredients are healthy. Homemade maple syrup, fat-free ice cream. The crackers we already tested. There's no fat in the Freezy Pops. And this is another pretty good healthy thing, strawberry maple syrup. And marshmallows, no fat in that. And this is always something to give it, you gotta have this. I mean, this is necessary. So, and then these aren't bad either, these Hello Kitty things. So that's all in here.
Can you taste the marshmallow?
I don't know. I think an expert, one of those what are they? They don't call them connoisseurs, but those wine tasters. I think they could probably taste that in there.
Would you put this in your cereal? Or?
And I think it would have been the wrong thing to put carbonation in this.
Mm-hmm.
So this way, the drink is sweet, but it lays flat, and it's so interesting that I think it would be a real pleasure and joy for somebody to be drinking, especially on one of those Paris sidewalk cafes.
Okay. Circle, dot, dot.